Hi, this is Adrienne with the Printmaker System by Swift Galleries. I wanted to show you really quickly how to align products on the wall. So what I'm going to do is add products to the wall first in the designer. I am going to choose a framed product. Let's do this white distressed frame. And I am going to make this guy a little smaller. So let's do a 12 by 12. Maybe I want to do this little like grid pattern here. So all I need to do is click outside of the product and drag and then let go when I'm finished. And then I can either come into the align products here and align the bottom or top. It doesn't really matter in this case. And then I'm finished aligning because I'm not going to align these left and right because it would put them on top of each other. So click and drag, and I am going to align bottom. Looks like they're actually pretty well aligned. All right, so I'm good to go on this, and then at any point I can fill these with actual pictures, right? But what I want to do is show you now. I'll just go to another room just so that we have a couple different, you can see a couple different ways. All right, so maybe let's do this room, and I'm going to start over again. So clicking and dragging across will select everything that I want to. I'm just going to use the delete key to erase this. And maybe I want to add this template here. And then I want to do another one next to it. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click outside, drag across everything I want to align. In this case, I'm going to align to the top, but this time I'm going to use my keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so you can't see that on the screen, but what I'm going to do is choose Shift and then the up arrow. And that just shifted these two to match the highest point. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing here. I have them all selected, and I'm also going to align these top, the top of the product. So that's Shift plus the up arrow, and you can do Shift up will align to the top, Shift down will align to the bottom. Maybe I have, moved, let's see, let's move it this way. Maybe I have these two that I want to align left, so I click and drag, and then Shift left arrow. All right, so that's all you have to do. Super easy, super simple to align products. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I am always happy to help, and thanks for watching.